is gonna be very, very tough. Like what I'm gonna say today is quite serious. Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Adida Joseph, aka J.K. Mother King Galako, aka Manas, aka Franklin, aka Apollo Calisia, Apollo Necalisa, aka Masinachi, aka Manarisia, aka Aruka, aka Child. Hey, I need side of no catch on one, aka Mpuluma. Hey, oh, Mpuluma, the finest and the coolest girl in Nollywood. Oh my god, aka Mother Icons, aka Open Up Icons, aka Rika Panbo. Let's just stop there, okay? Hey, Anita, we don't see your hair. Rest, oh, yeah, see it. The hair is too expensive. See it. But let me tell you guys something. Bond Street has been raining since. We don't wear Bond Street since, even before navigation. Bond Street. So you guys should just relax. Okay. So, my dear, the other day I posted a picture where my husband was wearing my shoe. He was helping me wear my shoe. You did talk. You did vex, Yabi. You never see anything. That is can get me now about 30. Okay, my dear faithful. Now the shoe they buckle, they pain you. Why? You don't live with us. I'm not related to you. He's not related to you. We don't know each other. Even the people that he's related to, they don't care. They don't have problems with it. And I'm going, why is it your problem? Why would you forgo for why they paying you? Only that one you see. If you go to my husband, they carry me like egg one. What do you go do? You know, people that know us, they just marvel when they see both of us, you know. The way he pampers me, the way I serve him. Seriously. First of all, you need to be a good woman. For a man to bend down and wear your shoes, you need to have respect. Some people tell me, I want to be like you. Yeah, husband. I say, you get respect. You respect him. Leave all these Maldiva things. Oh, I got respect for my man. Yes, that's number one. Respect him. That's why he's your husband. Okay? You see, because he's the crown. Okay? So I respect him. Now, you will talk my comment section. They don't want to say, hey, now they use them. Are you mad? Shut up. Now you, we're going to bend down. They lick your girlfriend to we carry blood. Yes, I said it. Now you they lick period. Dirty blood. Blood we don't sour. Blood where they come out. Dirty blood where God say, let it go, let it go.
Nyama.
That blood. Now the leak can pass. For instance, blood, they just they talk for it. Everybody just they talk. Shut up. Just shut the heck up. Make you know the castle way. Only that one you see. Not only buckle of shoe you they see. If you see us now, I seen they pamper me, they carry me. You go die. What is your problem? And the women on the comment section talking. I pity you. You know why? Nobody don't come your papa house now say. I beg, una de sell am. I beg, I beg this girl, that apple with your house, I want to pluck it. Nobody has asked your parents any question about you. Nobody. With all the things where they do, nobody don't ask about you. You know why? Because you're a witch. You're not happy for anybody. You see my husband and I, you vex. Hey, why you gonna buckle your shoe? This one, that one, that one, that one, that. You don't respect the man. My dear, respect for my body. Leave all these things. Respect for my body. So one call say for Insta blog, so you just called a photographer. May pepper you. You don't see the hair. I want you to see. That's why I bought it. You don't call photographer. So you just call photographer to take you picture where he was buckling your shoe. You're a fool. You idiot. Ibonyala. You're mad. So, and I tagged my photographer, say yes. Okay, someone said, I just want to know who took the picture. I tagged Watermark. I say, he took the picture. You cannot go and question him. What is your business? What is your problem? You don't like seeing people happy? The buckling of shoe is your problem. You get make that, you go see more. You don't want to have hypertension. You don't like good things. Leave my page because my page is just full of good vibes. Leave. Some of the men that were commenting and writing nonsense and they were insulting their mother, not me. Now you they leak woman to bend down, leak dirty blood. Now you bring that woman to us. I talk and make the hair and bring it to my face. Now you they leak dirty blood or balance now. Now you they leak from your girlfriend Toto. You come here, they talk of, see where they buck. Okay, some say, yes, my husband does this for me. The other one say, oh, but do you show it on social media? The other one say no. All right, some men will do it in private. So, when your wife wants to wear her shoe, or your girlfriend outside, you go look, they stand, they look at her because he be roko. You don't want to do it in public, right? But you can do it in private. That is how some of you are. So if you can do it in private, why can't you do it in public? He wasn't doing it to impress anybody. He didn't even care who was looking. He just felt, this is what I'm supposed to do. Because I'm a queen. And he treats me like his queen. And he's my king, and that's why he is to me. That's why I treat him. Treat your man like a king. He will do these things for you in public. I don't care what you're going to talk after this video. I'm having the best time of my life. Jehovah is faithful. Ima why? Ima can sibido. You don't know where I started from. You don't know how I prepared. You don't know where we started from. You don't know how we're copying. You don't know how we're doing it. So when you see it on social media, my sister, my brother, like the picture and pass, move away. Look away. If you don't like it, then fuck off and bounce. You mustn't like the things we do. But the problem is some of you you're still glued on my page. Bickering, throwing tantrums in Apudala. Are you guys freaking insane? Are you? No. I think you're delusional. Yes, that's the word. You are delusional. Something is really definitely wrong with your brain. Why you the vex? Nami do you? And the women on my comment section, I pity you. If I don't uludi, you know, see husband. You they castigate my own. You they insult my own. I want see husband now. You don't even see half husband. You don't even, okay, some men now, because you can't do it for a woman. And when another man does it for his woman, you get angry. You say, oh, na juju. Oh, he's not doing well. Oh, why will he do this? This one, you hold him. Are you mad? When a man loves his woman so much, they go say, na juju. But when the man is very proud, they me like this, they do him anyhow. When I go say, why this man no dey romantic? God go punish you. You're mad. Where do you even stand? Stand one place so that thunder will locate you. What do you want in life? I say stand at a place, that's you're looking at me now. Stand at a place because you're wicked. Let the thunder locate you. I'm sending the thunder to you free of charge. 2021, you need to do more. Talk better to attract good things. I talk better. I do good things. That's why good things come to me. You don't know how it happens, but it just happens. Because good things attract good things. You cannot work with what you don't know. Do you understand? I represent good things. I represent lights. So in 2021, do better. But if you're still bickering, if you're still like this, my sister, you ain't going nowhere. My brother, you still stand on that spot, castigating people. You don't even have a love of your life. No woman they agree to talk to you because you're mad. No man they agree to talk to you because you're envious. You're stupid. Ilegi. The words of your tongue. Be careful. Even the Bible talk, even before they burn us. Keep wishing people bad now. You see good things on social media. Instead of you to go, you castigate them, you insult them. Think you're doing me, my sister, you're doing yourself. But I want to promise you something. You see my page? If you don't want to choke, leave there. In 2021, I will do more. You see the one I don't give you this year? If I give you 10 this year, 2021, I'll give you 20. That's in 18 years times 10. I'll give you more. I'll give more than that. Be of good cheer. It's not even hard to be happy. I decided to be happy. And that's it. I'm Capricorn. Remember, January 4th is my birthday. Because your gift. And I love you always. Bye.